Tigers are the largest and most powerful of all the big cats. But their strength has failed to protect them from their only real predator: human beings. Researchers are now working to determine a tiger's age, sex, and subspecies just based on the sounds it makes. Acoustic monitoring has been used for more than 2 decades to determine wildlife populations. But it has never been used to estimate the number of tigers until now. Being able to identify tigers based on their roars alone could revolutionize the way wild tigers are monitored and protected. Insight into tiger whereabouts and behavior is crucial to conservation efforts. With this information, rangers will know where to patrol, and scientists can identify core areas that need protective status. It's a sound of hope, but one that is also threatened to be silenced. Hi, my name is Neil at Uni, and I'm here to tell you a little bit more about the film Roar: The Sound of Survival. Today, there are just a few thousand tigers that remain in the wild. All tiger subspecies are either listed as endangered, critically endangered, or viably extinct. Poaching, loss of habitat, and human-wildlife conflict continue to threaten the big cat's survival. But this documentary is one of hope. The film looks at how conservationists are trying to save tigers by analyzing their vocalizations, specifically their iconic true roars. The film explores the question, can a tiger's roar help save the species? We're following the Prouston Project, a team of researchers that has successfully been able to distinguish vocal fingerprints for tigers just based on their roars alone. We'll embark on a mission to document the team's next major step, recording tigers in the wild. If successful, this new and less invasive monitoring method could be a game changer by making tiger censuses more accurate, revealing more information about tiger whereabouts, and helping to combat poaching. Just think about it. If rangers knew where the tigers were, they could more effectively patrol those areas and stop poachers in their tracks. Protective corridors could also be established to keep tigers safe from things like speeding trains and harmful infrastructure projects. Furthermore, the system could help keep people safe as well by reducing instances of human-wildlife conflict. This would be the first ever film to document acoustic monitoring of tigers in the wild. But this is a massive endeavor, and we need your help. There are a lot of logistics involved in the film, and with that comes the need for funding. We promise that all funds donated will go directly into covering production costs. I hope you'll consider helping us bring this documentary to life. Thanks for your time.